Sample for number 13. In each figure, each small cube has edges that are 1/12 foot long. So each small cube is 1/12. This is 1/12, this is 1/12, this is 1/12. So our length is not 3 holes, it is actually 3/12. Same for the width, 1/12, 1/12, so that's 2/12. Same for the height, each one is 1/12, 1/12, 1/12, 1/12, 1/12, 1/12. Which expressions could be used to find the volume of this entire rectangular prism? Choose all of the correct answers. So part A, if I just take 1/12 times 1/12 times 1/12, that would be the volume of just one small cube. So A is not correct. Part B, if I take 3 times 2 times 6, which is how many cubes there are, and I multiply it by the volume of each of those cubes, that would give me the volume of the entire shape. So I would take 3 times 2 times 6 and then multiply that by whatever the volume of one small cube is. That would work. Part C is similar, but if I just do 3 times 2 times 6, that only tells me how many cubes there are and not the actual volume of each small cube and then the volume total. So part C does not work. Part D, 3/12 is how we count it up to get the length. So 1, 2, 3/12 times 2/12 is the width. 1/12, 1/12, that's 2/12 times 6/12 is the height. That would work to find the volume of the shape. And part E is very similar to part B, but if I took 3 times 2 times 6, that tells me how many small cubes there are, but I wouldn't want to divide by the volume of each cube. I would need to multiply by the volume of each cube to figure out the volume. If I took the 3 times 2 times 6 and divided by the volume of each cube, that would just tell me how many cubes there were. So E is also not correct.